Thank you. If I can't walk in his heels, there's always flip-flops handily provided down here. I want to hear you all rocking with me. I want to hear those air guitars. Are you ready? Any rock divas here? For love, for love. She said you gotta hold on to what we've got. It doesn't make a difference if we make it or not. We've got each other, and that's a lot for love. We'll give it a shot. Oh, we're halfway there. So tough. Ooh, it's tough. Tina, she's running away. She cries in the night. Tell me whispers, baby, it's okay. Someday we've gotta hold on to what we've got. It doesn't make a difference if we make it or not. We've got each other, and that's a lot for us. We'll give it a shot. Whoa, we're halfway there. Whoa, baby, not afraid. Take my hand, we'll make it, I swear. Whoa, baby, not afraid. Leave it unafraid. We've definitely got some rock chicks and dudes in the audience today. Thank you. Well, I hope everyone will sing along this next one to me as well. A bit of Cranberries, a bit of Zombies in your head. did. We've got such great people singing here today, and I feel privileged to be up here with them. So thanks for voting me through, and thanks for watching.
Will you please give it up for Amanda Poe?